Hello students, let us learn the basic proportionality theorem, which is the most important theorem in this chapter and in this year also. So BPT is the short form of basic proportionality theorem. The statement of this theorem is, if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides into distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Let us prove this theorem. For that, consider the given figure of triangle ABC. Now, what is given? The given is, in triangle ABC, line L is parallel to line BC or side BC, and line L intersects AB and AC in points P and Q respectively. Now, to prove is, AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. For that, the construction is, draw segment PC and segment BQ. Now the proof is, now in triangle APQ and triangle PQB, both triangles have equal heights, and therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to AP divided by PB. This is equation number 1, and the reason is triangles with equal heights. Similarly, triangle APQ and triangle PQC have also equal heights. Therefore, area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC is equal to AQ divided by QC. This is equation number 2, and the reason is as per 1 or triangles with equal heights. Now segment PQ is common base of triangle PQB and triangle PQC. Also, segment PQ is parallel to segment BC. This is given, and therefore triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights also. Therefore, area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC, equation number 3, and we can say that this because of triangles with equal heights and equal bases. Now by using equation 1, 2 and 3, we get area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQB, which is equal to area of triangle APQ divided by area of triangle PQC. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we can say that AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. Now, converse of basic proportionality theorem, and its statement is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Now let us take an example of triangle ABC, in which line L intersects the side AB and side AC of triangle ABC in the points P and Q respectively, and if AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC, then by the converse of BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, line L is parallel to segment BC. Now next one is property of an angle bisector of a triangle, or theorem of angle bisector of a triangle. Statement is, the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. Let us prove this theorem. Consider triangle ABC as shown in the figure. Given information is, in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersects segment AB in the point E, and we have to prove that AE divided by EB is equal to CA divided by CB. Now the construction is: draw a line parallel to ray CE passing through the point B and extend AC so as to intersect it at point D. Now the proof is: ray CE is parallel to ray BD and AD is transversal. Therefore, angle ECE is congruent to or equal to angle CDB. Reason is corresponding angles. This is equation number 1. Again, by taking BC as transversal, we get angle ECB is congruent to angle CBD. Now the reason is alternate angles. This is equation number 2. But the given is angle ACE is congruent to angle ECB. Equation number 3. From equation number 1, 2 and 3, we can write angle CBD is congruent to angle CDB. Now in triangle CBD, side CB is congruent to side CD. Reason is sides opposite to congruent angles are congruent. Therefore, CB is equal to CD. This is equation number 4. And in triangle ABD, segment EC is parallel to segment BD since the construction. And therefore, by using the basic proportionality theorem, we get equation number 5, that is AE divided by EB is equal to AC divided by CD. Therefore, from equation number 4 and 5, we get AE divided by EB is equal to AC divided by CB. Now the converse of this angle bisector theorem. Consider the same figure. If in triangle ABC, point E on side AB is such that AE divided by EB is equal to AC divided by CB, then the ray CE bisects angle ACB. Next point is property of three parallel lines and their transversals. And the statement of this property is: the ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. To prove this theorem, the figure is on the screen and the given is line L is parallel to line M is parallel to line N. That means all the three lines L, M, N are parallel to each other, and T1 and T2 are the transversals. Transversal T1 intersects the lines in points A, B and C, while transversal T2 intersects the lines in points P, Q, R. So to prove is AB divided by BC is equal to PQ divided by QR. And the proof is: draw segment PC which intersects line M at point D. Therefore, in triangle ACP, BD is parallel to AP. This is given. Therefore, AB divided by BC is equal to PD divided by DC. Equation number 1, and the reason is basic proportionality theorem. Similarly, in triangle CPR, DQ is parallel to CR. This is also given. Therefore, PD divided by DC is equal to PQ divided by QR. Equation number 2, and again reason is same, basic proportionality theorem. Therefore from 1 and 2, PD divided by DC is the common part, and therefore we can write AB divided by BC is equal to PD divided by DC is equal to PQ divided by QR. This is from 1 and 2, and therefore AB divided by BC is equal to PQ divided by QR. Let us solve some examples. Example number 1. Measures of some angles in the figure are given. Prove that AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. So first observe the figure. Now the solution is, in triangle ABC, angle APQ is equal to angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. This is given, and therefore angle APQ is congruent to angle ABC. Therefore segment PQ is parallel to side BC. Equation number 1. Reason is corresponding angles test. Therefore in triangle ABC, segment PQ is parallel to side BC, and therefore by the theorem of BPT or basic proportionality theorem, AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by QC. Now the next example. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to PQ parallel to DC. AP is equal to 15, PD is equal to 12, and QC is equal to 14. Then find BQ. And the solution is, AB is parallel to PQ parallel to DC. This is given. Therefore by property of three parallel lines and their transversals, we get AP divided by PD, that is equal to BQ divided by QC. Therefore by putting the given values, 15 divided by 12 is equal to BQ divided by, now by taking the cross multiplication, we get BQ is equal to 15 into 14 divided by 12. Since 15 and 12 both are divisible by 3, therefore on dividing by 3 we get 3 4 the 12 and 3 5 the 15. Therefore taking multiplication in the numerator, we get BQ is equal to 70 divided by 4, that is equal to 35 by 2, which is obtained by taking the reduction, and that is equal to 17.5. So BQ is equal to 17.5. Third example is, in triangle LMN, ray MT bisects angle LMN. If LM is equal to 6, MN is equal to 10, and TN is equal to 8, then find LT. So the solution is, in triangle LMN, ray MT bisects angle LMN given. Therefore by the property of angle bisector of a triangle, we get LM divided by MN is equal to LT divided by TN. Therefore by putting the values given in the problem, we get 6 divided by 10 is equal to LT divided by 8. Therefore by cross multiplication, LT is equal to 6 divided by 10 into 8, and therefore we get LT is equal to 48 divided by 10, that is LT is equal to 4.8.